using detergent, etc. When working with corrosive liquids, be sure to clean the internal pump head with water. Just put our water pipe into clean water. Just do the water stamping work for a few minutes. Let's talk about it this time. Precautions for maintenance of the pump after use. After our pump receives the goods, accumulated 50 hours of use, the first oil change is required. We drain the original old motor oil, then add 15 West 40 oil and pour it into. Attention! The injected oil should not exceed the center point. Just reach the center point and be flat. After every accumulated 100 hours, replace the 15W for O oil again. In addition to that, you can also add other 4-stroke motorcycle oil. It is not limited to one model. When our pump is used to a certain extent, if there is floating ash on the surface of the filter screen, scale builds up in the middle of our filters. It will cause blockages in water intake. We need to see how contaminated it is. To do a regular cleaning, use a high-pressure water gun or a brush. Just gently brush off a dirt on the surface.